po yung dashboard po namin. This is where we can log in using our student ID number. Okay. Then to scan fingerprint, click scan. And then press your finger against the scanner. We'll have you logged in. Your details are on this left dialog box. And to load subjects, you click to the side and look for your subject from the different year levels. We'll choose Propulsive Communication and Art Appreciation. Now, for the time being, they will be pending until the admin approves the subject.
For the admin sign, dito po is nag-approve or nagde-delete ng subject. For example is meron ng pending, which is yung sa isang student. Dito lalabas yung pending, which is pending, pwedeng i-approve or delete ng admin yung subject niya. So for now is approve natin. Now ready for enrollment na yung student.
Once nag-approve na si admin ng loaded subjects, it will show up as enrolled. And you can click print receipt, which will bring out this dialog box. Then click print.